welcome back to my channel. So it's Wednesday and it is my cooking day, and tonight I am doing salt and pepper chili chow mein. Salt and pepper chicken chow mein. It's actually one of the Slim World recipes on the app, so I'm going to give that a go. You can also buy this one ready-made in Iceland, one of their microwave meals. So if it is nice in the future, I might get that because there's a lot of ingredients to it. So yeah, it's going to be a faff, I think, a little bit. But I do enjoy cooking, and yeah, it's going to be good and it's going to taste nice. And then I'm going to have like 3 portions of it to freeze, because I'm going to like portion it. I'm going to portion like the chicken and the peppers and stuff and freeze them with the sauce and stuff, and then just cook 1 portion of noodles. And then just when I need it, get the portion out of the freezer and then cook another packet of noodles with it, because I'm not going to, if I do it with the 4 noodle nests, there's no way I'm going to eat 4 noodle nests. Well, this is possible, but yeah, I shouldn't. So I'm just going to cook 1. But yeah, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So let me show you. So that's it on the Slim World app, if you can see that. Yeah, the salt and pepper chicken chow mein. And then this is all the ingredients. It's a lot, so I'll talk you through them. So obviously it's normal fry light, pretty much every Slim World meal you need. I've knocked the soy sauce off. Pretty much need fry light with every single Slim World meal. You need 2 onions. You need 4 garlic cloves, so I just bought a whole garlic. You need 5 centimetre fresh root ginger. Yeah, peeled and roughly chopped. I don't know how much that is. Maybe a bit bigger than 5 centimetres. I'll probably just put half of it in. But yeah. Then a heaped teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. I could not find this in Tesco or Aldi, so I've ended up ordering it off Amazon. But yeah, it came the next day, so it wasn't too bad. So you need 1 heaped tablespoon of that. You need 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. 1 carrot cut into batons. I'm probably going to cut mine into little like round circles, because I like my carrot cooked quite well. So I probably would enjoy it in the batons, because the last time I cooked something with batons, they were a bit hard and crunchy and I didn't enjoy it. So yeah, but I'll cut them into round little circles. 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, which I've got there. Then you need a tablespoon of Marmite. So I've got Marmite. A red and yellow pepper, which is there. 4 skinless and boneless chicken breasts, thinly sliced. Well, I've got diced chicken breasts to save a little bit of chopping. Obviously, 4 dried noodle nests. So there, but I'm obviously going to cook 1 and then, yeah, cook the rest when I need them. Small pack of fresh coriander, chopped. And reserving a few sprigs to serve. So that's all the ingredients. It's a lot. How long does it say it takes to cook? It says 45 minutes. So we'll see in real time what that actually ends up being. Somehow I feel like it's going to be more than that. But I will, yeah, I'll get on with it and I'll let you know. But yeah, that's all the ingredients. And as you can see, it is quite a few. Oh, did I mention the bean sprouts? I can't remember if I mentioned the bean sprouts. But yeah, you need them as well. Right, so that's the ingredients, and I'm going to get on with the cooking. everyone. So I have cooked it now. Wow. It was easy to follow the instructions, but it was a bit faffy. I probably wouldn't do this midweek again. It's a lot. But it smells really nice, and hopefully it's going to taste really nice. So that's it in my bowl. So yeah, like I said, I cooked just one portion of the noodles, and then I'll just mix the mixture in afterwards because there was no way I'm going to eat 4 portions. And then I've got like 3 portions for another day now. But you could also mix it up. You could have it like, instead of the noodles, you could have it with egg fried rice or something, just to make it a bit different. So yeah, it definitely took longer than 45 minutes. I started it at 5:30, and it is now 7:22. So yeah, definitely longer than the 45 minutes. Maybe if you're quicker at cooking, you could probably do it quicker. I'm a bit slow, but yeah. Well, I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold. So as always, if you have liked my content today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and join me back here on Sunday when you'll see how I've got on weighing. I'm really hoping that I have gonna have had that 2.5 stone award certificate, because I have been super good this week so far. I've eaten so much speed food, like, yeah, but every meal has been speed. So yeah, I don't see any reason why I shouldn't have it this week. If I don't get it this week, I'm probably going to cry, because I have worked really hard. But that's it for me then anyway, so I will see you all on Sunday. Bye.